So here we want to do the 5-number summary and find the range, and the easiest way to do that is to take your numbers, copy them, careful to copy from the beginning of the first to the end of the last, into a spreadsheet. So Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste, so there's my numbers. And I'm just going to make a note down here. I'm going to find the min, I'm going to find Q1, I'm going to find the median, I'm going to find Q3, and I'm going to find the max. And then after that, we can use the min and the max to find the range. A spreadsheet, super easy. And here we can see it, the data is sorted. However, the data won't always be sorted. So just to make sure, the command is min, so I type equals and start typing min, and the computer says, hey, I have this min command, so I can select that. And then it says to grab your values. So I'm just going to highlight the values by clicking and dragging. Close the parentheses, hit enter. No thank you, we don't need to fill here. And then I want to find Q1. So that is a quartile, so we start typing equals because it's a formula calculation. And then we start typing quartile, and we have a few different options. You can use quartile or quartile inclusive. They do the same. Never use quartile exclusive. So I'm going to go for the inclusive. That's the more modern one. And select my data. And here I have to say which of the 5 quartiles I want. I want quartile number 1. Median is just median. Start typing it and then select it. And then select your data. Close parentheses. Back to our quartile command. I prefer the inclusive version. Or you could just use the straight quartile command. They'll give the same results. And we have to say which quartile we want. So comma 3 for the 3rd quartile. And then we can get the maximum. So we start off with an equals. And then close. Start the parentheses or select the command. Select the data. Close the parentheses. So there is our 5-number summary. The range is always going to be the max minus the min. So equals to start the function, and then select your values with the hyphen in between and subtract. Simple. Alternatively, you could copy and paste your data into a statistics app. So a couple options I've recommended for this class would be stat key, one quantitative variable, and you can edit in your data. And stat key expects a column of data. So if your data isn't a straight column vertical, then you would have to edit your data to be a column. So I would have to edit the data given here to be a straight column. Another one I recommended was the stat applet. And this would be a single quantitative variable. And this one is a little more forgiving with the data. So I can just paste my data in there. And I can run statistics on that, and I can get things like the 5-number summary. But spreadsheet's a great place. Our commands are min, quartile, inclusive, median, max, boom,